Good morning, student. In the course of switchgear and protection, Unit 3, Protective Relays, we will see the second topic, Basic Relay Terminology, taught by Sachin Radekar, HOD, Electrical Engineering. In the previous lecture, number 11, we learned the basic connection diagram of the relay, various types of the relay, and the difference between relay and circuit breaker. The course outcome and the learning outcome. Course outcome of this unit is to test the performance of different protective relays. Learning outcome is understand the relay terminology in power system. Reflection spot. Why protective relay terminology needed in power system? We will see the answer of this question in today's topic. We will see the important terms used in the relays. First is energizing quantity. It is defined as the electrical quantity which is a measure of voltage or current required for operation of the relay is called as the energizing quantity. Next term is trip circuit. In the previous video lecture, we have seen the basic connection diagram of the relay and circuit breaker. So the trip circuit, it is the circuit that controls the circuit breaker for opening operation and comprises of trip coil, relay contact, auxiliary switch battery, supply, etc. तो ट्रिप सर्किट किसे कहते हैं? It is a different combination of trip coil, relay contact, auxiliary switch, battery, supply, etc. All this combination is called as the trip circuit. Next is the operating force or torque. Force which tend to close the relay contact is called as the operating force. Restraining force or torque. The force which opposes the torque and tend to interrupt the closure of the relay contact is called as the restraining force. This already we have studied in the electrical measurement subject. Setting, relay setting. It is the actual value of energizing quantity at which the relay is made to operate under given condition. The next important term is pickup. Pickup, relay pickup. A relay is said to be pickup when it moves from the off position to an on position, or the operation of the relay is called as the relay pickup. Relay pickup means what? कि जब रिले ऑफ पोजीशन से ऑन पोजीशन पे आता है and it is called as the relay pickup. Next term is operating or pickup relay. So it is defined as it is the value of actuating quantity, current or voltage, which is on the threshold above which the relay operates and closes its contact. If the current in the relay is less than the pickup value, the relay does not operate and the breaker operates by it remain in the closed position. Next term is dropout or reset level. This is the value of current or voltage below which a relay open its contact and come back to its original position. The ratio of dropout voltage or reset value to the pickup or operating value is called as the dropout or reset ratio. Then reset time. It is given by the time which passes away between the instant when the current or voltage, this current and voltage is called as the actuating quantity, becomes less than the reset value at the time when the relay closes its contact, is called as the reset time. The next term is the overshoot time. This is the time during which stored operating energy is dissipated after the characteristics quantity has been suddenly restored from a specified value to the value which it had at the initial position of the relay. Next term is fault clearing time. The time between the existence of a fault and the time of final arc quenching in a circuit breaker is called as the fault clearing time. Breaker time. The time between the termination of the fault and the final arc quenching in a circuit breaker is called as the breaker time. Relay time. Relay time is defined as the interval between the existence of fault and closure of the relay contact is called as the relay time. Reach. Reach is defined as the limiting distance covered by the protection, the fault beyond which are not within the reach of the protection and should be covered by the other relay. The summary of the today's video lecture, we learn the basic relay terminology including reach of the relay, overshoot time, pickup time, breaker time. This terminology is very useful for power system engineers. So the program outcome of this topic is we have mapped the PO1, PO2, PO3, PO8, PO9 and PO10 from this lecture. Thank you very much for watching this video. The next video is on the types of the relay.